How do you unarchive email in Gmail? It's important to know what archiving is, and basically you have an inbox in your Gmail, and when you click on an email, I'm going to click on this Google one just to select it, and you hit archive, it just removes the label inbox. So that email still exists, and you can find it if you click the More dropdown and you go to All Mail. Everything will show up in here. We see drafts, we see archived emails. You know it's archived if it doesn't have the inbox label. So like this email, or even like these 4 emails right here. Now you could have a bazillion emails archived, a bazillion in your inbox, and you're not sure, there's a bunch of drafts in here. So to narrow this down to only your archived emails, we need to come up here and search your mail. Inside of here, we're going to filter down to remove any drafts, remove any inbox labels, all of that. So we're going to go down to doesn't have, and we want to find emails that don't have the label. So label, space, inbox. And then we can put a comma in here. We also don't want it to have draft or be a draft. So we can put is draft. Don't want it to be a draft either. So this line here is I'm looking for things that are not these things. And then I could hit search. And now it's narrowed down my all mail to basically only my archived emails. So I can go through here and I can select an email. And instead of archive, right, there should be a move to inbox icon. If there's not, click these 3 dots and switch your toolbar. I'm on the advanced toolbar, but even the simple one has move to inbox. So we click move to inbox, and that will take it, basically apply the inbox label and take it back to your inbox. So you will see this in your inbox. You can also select all, for instance, drop this down, select all, etc. If you have multiple pages of archived emails, when you select all, there's a little message that'll come up asking if you want to select everything that's been archived. Maybe you don't want to, but once you select them all, you can move them all to your inbox. Because all archiving does is remove this inbox label, and that sorts it out of your inbox and just puts it into all mail. So that's how you can unarchive emails here in Gmail.